Usually, when you accidentally delete important files from your system, and you might think that the file is permanently gone, but it is possible to recover files from hard drive, external hard drive, USB pen drive, SD card, and even from recycle bin with the help of a data recovery software. Yes, it is possible to recover all the lost files using a data recovery software. If you have lost all of your data files, then don't worry, I'm here for your help. After watching this video, you will be able to recover any deleted file like audio, video, pictures and documents from any storage like hard disk, pen drive, SD card, external hard disk. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the steps. In this first step, you need to download Recover Data Recovery software from CC Cleaner official website. The setup will be around 5 or 6 MB. The download link of Recover software is available in the description box. Download it. And one more thing, Recover is a software for Windows. So you need to have a Windows PC in order to perform this method. Let's go to the step 2. In the second step, you need to install the Recover Data Recovery software, as you can see in the screenshot. After downloading the software on your Windows system, double click the Recover setup, then you will see a Recover installation window. Simply install it by clicking on install. And if you want to recover deleted data from any external storage device like SD card or pen drive, so connect it with your Windows PC, because we need to select the storage from which you want to recover deleted data. Software will recognize easily if the external storage device is connected already. In this step, you need to choose which type of file you want to recover, like videos, audios, document and pictures. Select your file type, and if you don't know much about deleted files, select all files option. All file option is quite good. Let's check step 4. Here you need to select the file location from where you want to recover all lost or deleted files. Now let's talk about the options we have. Don't know the exact location the deleted file was stored. Select I'm not sure option. Want to search for deleted files in external storage devices like SD card, pen drive. Select on my media card or iPod. Data deleted from user document folder. Select in my documents. Want to find deleted data in recycle bin. Select in the recycle bin. And the last one, also my favorite option, in a specific location, for finding files in a specific location like D drive, E drive. For example, if you have lost all of your files and you are sure that all your data was in D drive, then you can select in a specific location option and choose the D drive. Now select the option and move forward to step 5. Now Recover is ready to search for your deleted files. Make sure to tick enable deep scan option. If the option is enabled, Recover software will scan deeply for your deleted files. When done, click on start to start the recovery process. As you can see, deleted data is recovered. Simply select the files you want to recover and click on recover. Now the software will ask you to select the location for save recovered files. Save anywhere but not on the same drive. For example, if you select the D drive scanning for deleted files, then save the recovered files in E drive. If you select the same drive, data will not recover properly. If you want to read the in-depth post about this topic, then the post link is available in the description box, and the Recover software download link is also available in the description box. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Having any issues related to this topic, comment below, I will reply. And subscribe Techsable and check techsable.com for more technology tricks.